cooking or class photography. Please direct your attention to the screens above as Steven Spielberg and E.T. have a special message for you.
Yeah.
Hello, I'm Steven Spielberg, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to the E.T. adventure. But I'm afraid we don't have much time, so I'm going to cut right to the chase. E.T. needs your help. Now, we've just received an urgent message from E.T.'s teacher, Botanicus, calling for E.T. to come home right away. You see, a big problem has developed 3 million light years away on E.T.'s home world, the Green Planet. E.T.'s friends are in danger because their planet is dying. Remember what E.T.'s friends look like, because it's going to be up to you to help E.T. find them once we get him home, and there's not a moment to lose, because only E.T.'s magic healing touch can save his friends and bring his planet back to health. E.T. must go home, and only you can help him. Ah, E.T. Bravo. That's right, E.T. So why don't you show these people how we're going to get you back to the Green Planet? You and E.T. will be making your 3 million light year journey on these bikes, but don't worry, you don't have to pedal. But you will need an interplanetary passport. So before you leave with E.T., tell your first name to one of our assistants, and they'll give you your pass. Oh. Sounds like E.T.'s ready to go. So good luck, everyone. And remember, E.T.'s counting on you, and so am I. Oh. It's up to you to save his planet so that he may visit us again.
Press only on my side.
Some unauthorized people delivered to me. They're getting away. Unit 3, cut them off.
See him. He's coming at us. That's great. Let's go.
Got him at the bottom of the hill.
E.T. Go to Tickley. Hurry.
E.T. Go home. Tickley. Ouch.
Welcome home. You returned to us.
Poor dog.
Welcome home. You have
Mad dog.
You have saved our